In this video, let me start with the question number 3, multiply. In that we are having total 5 number questions. Let me begin with the first question here. Here we need to multiply this polynomial by this here monomial we are having. Polynomial is nothing but more than one term, that we will say polynomial. Mono is nothing but only one term, that we will say monomial here. Okay. Here I am multiplying minus 3xy with this, that is I am going to put it in the bracket, and if you not written multiplication also, that is fine also. Here 5x square minus 8xy plus 6y square minus 3, bracket complete. Now I'll start multiplying this monomial with the each term of this polynomial here. Okay. And here remember, nothing it is there means there will be positive sign, and the powers there will be 1 if they didn't mention also, remember that. Okay. Now see here, minus plus minus, 3 5 is 15. When the bases are same, so we can add the power. So here x. So let me add the powers. 1 plus 2, that is 3. And here we don't have y, but here we are having y. So I'm going to write y here. Now we will go to the next term. Minus plus 3 8 is 24. Now look at the same base. For x we will get 1 plus 1, that is 2, and for the y we will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now minus plus minus, 3 6 is 18. Now here we don't have x, but here we are having x. Let me write x, and for y 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now last term, that is minus plus 3 3 is 9. Here we don't have a terms, I mean variables. Let me write this x and y here. Okay. And for further simplification, we don't have any here like terms. So this is the what final answer here. Okay. Here we are having a polynomial. To this polynomial we have to multiply by minus 21 x square y square here. So I'm going to write like this, minus 21 x square y square. Now I'm going to put this polynomial in the bracket. So that is 3 minus 2 by 3 xy plus 5 by 7 xy square minus 16 21 x square y. Okay, bracket complete. Now see here, again we have to multiply this one term of the monomial with the each term of the polynomial separately here. Okay, now let me begin with the first term of this polynomial here. Okay, and before multiplying, let me make sure that here it is having a positive sign and the powers will be 1. Remember this. Okay. Now here first minus plus minus, 21 3s are 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6, and here it doesn't have a variables. Let me write x square and y square. Now we will go to the next term. Minus I'll get plus. Okay, now I'm going to write like this. Here let me write the first term, that is 21 x square. Okay, before that let me make sure. Okay, I'm going to write in another way. So let me write the numericals like 21 into 2 by 3. Why into? However, we are doing the multiplication here. Now look at the same base. Here it is x, here it is x. So powers we will add. 2 plus 1 is, that is 3, and for y that is also 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now next one is, we will go to the third term. Minus plus minus. Let me write the numbers, numericals, 21 into 5 by 7. Okay, now look at the variables with the same base. Here for x we will be having 2 plus 1, that is 3, and for y 2 plus 2, that is 4. Okay, we have done with the third term. Let me go to the last term. Minus, that is plus. Okay, let me write the numericals, 21 into 16 by 21. Look at the same base. Here it is x, here it is x. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. For y, 2 plus 1, that is 3 here. Okay, after this minus 63 x square y square. Now see here, in this we can do the cancellation. 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. So in the numerator what left? 7 and 2. 7 2s are 14. Before this, here we are having positive sign. 7 2s are 14, and the here variables we are having, that is x cube y cube. Okay, now look at this. Here it is a minus sign. Let me write, and we can do the cancellation over here. 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. Now what left in the numerator? 3 and 5. So 3 5s are, that is 15 x cube y raised to the power 4. Now look at the last one. Here we can do cancellation. 21 1s are 21, and here 21 1s are 21. So what left in the numerator? 1 and 16. So before that, write the addition positive sign. 1 16s are, that is 60, And the what we are having, x raised to the power 4 and y cube here. Okay, this is what the final answer here. Question number 3. So here we have to multiply polynomial with the another polynomial here. So I am going to write like this: 4 minus 3x square, put it in the bracket. We have to multiply this with this one, that is 6x cube minus 5x plus 10. Okay, now put it again, this is in the bracket only. Now we have to multiply the first term of this polynomial with the each term of this polynomial. After once I done with that, I'll go to the next term of this polynomial. Again we have to multiply this term with the each term of this polynomial separately here. Okay, now let me begin with the first term. 4 6 is 24 and x cube. Now here again let me write a positive sign, nothing it is there means. Okay, and the powers let me introduce with a 1. Okay, nothing, if they are not mentioned, because it means remember that the power is 1 here. Now after that, plus minus minus, 4 5 is 20 x. Okay, after that plus 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 only, 4 10 is 40 here. Now we have done with the first term. Let me go to the next term. Now minus plus minus, 3 6 is 18, and the powers, when the bases are same, no, we have to add the powers. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Let me go to the next term. Minus minus, that is plus, 3 5 is 15, and x raised to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3 here. Now minus plus minus, 3 10s are 30 and x square. Okay, here look at the like terms. Like terms means look at this variable. Here it is we are having x cube, and here we are having x cube, and it is having the like sign. So when we are having like signs, so what we will do, we will do the addition. 4 plus 5, that is 9. 2 plus 1, that is 3. 39 x cube. Okay, we have done with this. So after that we have any like terms? Okay, we don't have any like terms. So let me write the remaining as it is. Minus 20x plus 40 minus 18 x raised to the power 5 minus 30 x square. So this is the what final answer here. Question number 4. Again see here we have to multiply a polynomial with the another polynomial here. So this polynomial is multiplying by this polynomial. So I'm going to write this polynomial as the first, y square plus y minus 3. Okay, put it in a bracket, and in another bracket put this polynomial, that is 2y minus 4y cube plus 6y raised to the power 5. Now see here we have to multiply the first term of this polynomial with each term of the second polynomial separately. Once we done with the first term, we have to go with the second term, and after that third term here. Okay, now let me begin with the first term. Here let it be 1, I mean there will be 1. Okay, and the power will be 1 here. Okay, nothing it is mentioned, and this sign will be positive here. Okay, okay, now plus plus plus, and 1 2s are 2, and when the bases are same, we will add the powers. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now after that plus minus minus, and here it is 1 4s are 4, and y raised to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now after that plus 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 only, 1 6 is 6, and y raised to the power 2 plus 5, that is 7. Now we have done with the first term. We'll go to the next term. Here again plus plus, that is plus, 1 2s are 2, and y raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2. Plus minus minus, 1 4s are 4, and y raised to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4 here. Now plus plus, that is plus only, 1 6 is 6, and y raised to the power 1 plus 5, that is 6. Now we will go to the last term. Minus plus minus, 3 2s are 6, y minus minus plus, 3 4s are 12, y cube. Here we don't have y. Next minus plus minus, 3 6 is 18, and y raised to the power 5 here. Okay, now for the further simplification, we have to look after the like terms here. So here we are having y cube, and here we are having y cube. Okay, now and these both terms are having the like sign, so we can do the addition. 2 plus 12, that is 14, and y cube. Okay, so we have done with this. Let me make a circle, so we'll be not having further confusion. Okay, now we will go to the y raised to the power 5. Here we are having, and here 1 we are having. Okay, so since both the terms are having the like sign, so we need to add 4 plus 18, I'll get, that is 22, and the variable which is y raised to the power 5, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign, I mean bigger term here. Okay, now we have done with this. Let me make a circle here. Now y raised to the power 7, we have only one term. Let me write 6y raised to the power 7. Okay. After that, 2 also we have only one, 4 also one, and 6 and y. Okay, let rest of that let me write as it is. Minus 4y raised to the power 4 plus 6y raised to the power 6 minus 6y here. So this is our final answer here. Question number 5. Here we have to multiply this polynomial by this polynomial here. So I'm going to write this polynomial as the first, that is 2p square minus 2pq plus 3q square, and which is I'm going to put it in the bracket. Okay, now we have another, no, that is 5p square plus 25pq plus 4qc. Again, I'm going to put it in the bracket here. Okay. So here I'm going to multiply the first term from this polynomial with the each term of this polynomial separately. Once I done with the first term, I'll go to the second term, and after that I'll go to the third term. So here I can see here nothing it is mentioned means there will be positive sign. So similarly here, and remember the power will be 1. Okay, if not written anything. Now see here, plus it remains plus only. Now we have to multiply numericals. 2 5s are 10, and the base we are having the same, so we can add the powers. 2 plus 2 is, that is 4. Now I have done with this. Now let me go to the next term. Again plus I'll get plus only. 2 25s are 50. Look at the same base. Here it is p, here it is p. Okay, so p, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3, and we are having only q1. Now let me go to the next term. Plus 2 4s are 8, and the variables I'll be having p square and q square. So we have done with the first term. I'm going to the second term. Minus 2 5s are 10, and look at the same base. 1 plus 2, that is 3, and q. Okay, now after that minus 2 25s are 50. Look at the same base. Here I'll get p raised to the p square and q square I'll get. See, 1 plus 1, that is 2, and for q 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now let me go to the last term. Minus 2 4s are 8, and the variable I'll get p and q raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3, q cube. Okay, now we'll go to the last term. Plus that is plus only. 3 5s are 15. Okay, and here it is, I'll get p square and q square. I'm just writing interchange the place means it will be easy for us to for the next simplification when we will looking for the like terms here. So here simply I can write q square p square, that is also correct, and if I return this also, that is also correct. Okay, now we'll go to the next term. Plus that is plus, and 325 I'll get 75, and here it is, I'll get p q cube. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now we'll go to the last term. Plus 3 4s are 12, and it will be q raised to the power 4 here. Okay, for the next step we have to look after the like terms here. Here we are having p raised to the power 4, and here we don't get anything. Okay, so let me write this term as it is. Now here I'm having p cube q, and where I'll get again, I'll get here. Okay, these are the like terms with the unlike signs I'm having. So whenever I'm having unlike signs, so we need to subtract. So 50 minus 10, I'll be having 40, and the bigger number carrying positive signs, and whatever the variables are there, no, we have to write like that. Okay, so we have done with this. Okay, now we will go to the p square q square. So here I'll get, and here I'll get, and here also I'm having. Okay, so all these three terms are like terms. Okay, so what we will do here, plus, and here it is minus, so it is unlike sign, so we need to subtract. So 50 minus 8, when I'll subtract, I'll be having, that is here 2, and here 4. 42 I'll get, and what are the variables are there, no, the same we have to write here, and here bigger number carrying the negative sign, so let me write for the 42, that is minus here. Okay, and still we have another like terms, which is here it is plus 15, no, not that one, plus this is q square. Okay, p square q square. Now look at this, we are having unlike sign, so what we need to do, we need to subtract. So borrow from here, it will become 12 minus 5, I'll be having 7, and it become 3 minus 1, that is 2, and the variable remains same, p square, that is q square. Okay, so and here bigger number carrying the negative sign, so we found the answer here, minus 27 p square q square here. Okay, now let me make a circle, so we'll be not having any doubts. So make a circle with the signs. Okay, we will look after the next like terms. Here it is p q cube, and here it is p q cube, and here it is unlike sign. So what we need to do, we need to subtract. So here 75 minus 8. Okay, so 5 6 7 8 7, here it becomes 6, no, 67. So and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, so plus 67 p q cube, that is. Okay, now we left with only one term, that is 12 q raised to the power 4. So this is the what answer we will find after the multiplication of these two polynomials here. Okay.